Hello friends, it's me, Teddy. Today, I'll be showing you how to draw a reversible octopus plushie. Let's get started. Begin by drawing two curved lines next to each other. Add two reverse U shapes to close off the ends, forming the octopus body. Now, draw three S curves below the body to create the octopus's tentacles. Repeat this process for the other side as well. Moving on to the face, draw two circles inside one of the octopuses. Add a curved line below the circles to form its mouth. In the other octopus, draw a diagonal straight line and add a U shape below it to create its eye. Repeat this step for the other eye as well. Now, add an upside-down curve above the mouth. Lastly, draw a spiral shape on top of the octopus's head to complete the design. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more fun drawing ideas. Happy drawing!